I'm Celeste Andrews with GetHealthyCarolina.com, and I'm a licensed Food for Life instructor with the Physicians Committee. And today we're going to be making this lovely raspberry vinaigrette. Enjoy.
Every journey starts somewhere. Let your journey to optimum health start here. Transform your health with the power of plants with Get Healthy Carolina.
We're going to start out with a cup of either fresh or frozen raspberries. I'm using frozen that are slightly thawed, not all the way. Doesn't really matter. And we're going to put those in the blender. And to that, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. You can use the white balsamic if you prefer, or any other mild to sweet vinegar is fine. We have 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, one tablespoon of maple syrup, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, or you can use whatever dried herbs that you like, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, which is optional, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, also optional or to taste, and a small clove of garlic. And we're going to put the lid on that and blend. And here's our lovely balsamic vinaigrette. Enjoy.